Welcome. Close your eyes gently and take a slow, steady breath in, and let the exhale soften your entire body. Let your breath become smooth and natural. Let your mind soften. Feel the weight of your body supported beneath you. Feel the steadiness of the ground. Bring your attention now to the base of your spine and imagine a soft red glow forming there. This is your root chakra, alive and ready. From this point, imagine roots extending deep into the earth. Through layers of soil, rock, and crystal until they reach the earth's glowing core. With every breath, feel the roots anchoring you. You are safe. You are supported. You are held. Now, bring your attention to the space just above your navel. This is your solar plexus. Imagine a warm golden light glowing here. It's steady, radiant, and alive. With every inhale, this golden light expands. With every exhale, it becomes bigger and more confident. Feel this light awakening your inner strength. Feel it activating your clarity, your courage, your sense of direction. This is the center of your personal power. This is the place within you that knows who you are. This is the fire that fuels your purpose. Allow this golden light to grow stronger. Let it fill your abdomen. Let it fill your chest. Let it fill your entire torso with warmth and confidence. Feel yourself standing taller from the inside. Feel your energy rising with purpose. Feel your inner fire glowing with certainty inside your belly. Now repeat silently. I am strong. I am capable. I trust myself. Now bring your awareness to the center of your chest. This is your heart chakra. Imagine a soft green light glowing here. With every inhale, this light grows wider. With every exhale, it becomes softer and more spacious. Feel this light opening your heart to compassion. You are capable to give love and receive love. Feel the light create space for ease. Let it soften your heart. And your emotions. Let the green light fill your entire chest. Let it slowly radiate outward into your shoulders, your arms, your hands, and beyond your body. Now repeat silently. I am open. I am loved. I am at peace. I am free. Now imagine the golden light of your solar plexus and the green light of your heart connecting. A line of energy between them. Strong, steady, harmonious. Feel the warmth of your inner strength rising upward. Feel the softness of your heart flowing downward. Feel the two energies meeting in perfect balance. Strength supporting softness, softness guiding strength. Confidence with compassion. Power with openness. Clarity with love. Let this combined energy slowly fill your entire body. Let it radiate outward into your field. Let it engulf you. Now repeat silently. I am aligned. I am centered. I am whole. Take a slow breath in and a longer exhale, breath out. Feel the steadiness in your solar plexus. Feel the openness in your heart. Feel the harmony between the two. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and carry this energy with you as you move through your day. Come back to this meditation whenever you feel called, when you're low on confidence, or when your heart needs to believe that you can be loved and you are capable of giving love. Thank you.